Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope everything is good. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rayhana Safira. I'm from N4I class and my NPM 201912500919. And today I will explain about story completion learning method. Let's check it out. Speaking is one of the productive skills besides listening. It is not only to say a word or song, but one of way to communicate ideas, express our feeling, and etc. And do you know the story completion learning method? Okay, I will explain what the story completion is. Story completion is an activity which is very enjoyable in whole class, and it is good choice activity to push students to do oral communication, and increase of students speaking achievement was also proved by the result described previously. And what is the purpose of learning using this method? The story completion method aims help students speak more spontaneously according to the situation and condition they will face in their daily life. In addition, this technique can also help students to be more free in conveying their own ideas in speaking. And this method can also encourage all students to have the same opportunity in speaking. And how to learn to use this method? First, students sit in a circle. Second, the teacher started the story, but after a few words, the teacher stopped narrating. And the third, each student begins to narrate from the point where the story stops. They add to the existing story. They can add new characters, events, description, and more. In this learning process, the teacher provides keywords to help this process. And fourth, the teacher shows positive sign when commenting on the responses of students, asking questions that are provoking. For example, what do you mean? To encourage students to talk more. And the last, if the student has finished continue the story, the teacher should give a response like your presentation was really great or it was a good job. So the student will more confident to speaking. Okay, next I will show how the learning process is. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss. I'm fine, and Miss?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, today we will learn to use the story completion method. And do you know what story completion method?
No.
Okay, story completion method is an activity which is very enjoy and it's a good choice to increase of student speaking. Later, Miss will tell the story, and in the middle of the story, Miss will stop and you will continue the story. It's up to you to add anything to the story. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I will story about Pinocchio. In the past, there was a puppeteer whose name is Geppetto. He eager to have a son very much, but his wife passed away several years ago. One day, he got an idea to make a puppet in order not to be lonely again. He made a puppet all day long. Finally, in the morning, he had finished his work and he named the puppet Pinocchio. Soon, he felt lonely again since Pinocchio couldn't walk or talk by itself. One night, Geppetto prayed to the god to become a real boy. He always thought it on his mind in his dream. In the next morning, he was surprised that Pinocchio was alive. He taught Pinocchio how to walk, how to read, how to speak, and do other things as a human. He then studied at an elementary school. One day, Pinocchio felt bored and it made him go home late. When Pinocchio finally came home, Geppetto asked him. He said that he was on school, but he wasn't. Instantly, Pinocchio's nose was grow longer, and it meant that Pinocchio has life. Okay, you continue the story.
Yes, Miss. The next morning, Pinocchio was kidnapped by the owner of circus. Pinocchio soon became a slave for the circus. He was so famous because he was a puppet which can talk. Geppetto worried about him because Pinocchio had not been going home for almost 2 days. He tried to find Pinocchio everywhere, but he found nothing. When he searched him on the sea, big waves smashed him. He was then in Will's stomach when he awoke. He couldn't find the way to go out. In in the end of the story, they went home together and lived happily ever after.
Okay, it was a great presentation. So, the end of Pinocchio's story is they went home and lived happily ever after. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I think enough for the class today. I hope you can understand this material. Okay, see you the next week. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.